Spaghetti and meatballs. The quintessential dish that brings joy to the table and warmth to the heart. But don't fret, dear beginners, this isn't rocket science, it's just spaghetti. So grab your chef's hat, or a colander if you don't have one, and let's dive into this culinary escapade. First up, the meatballs. You'll need 500 grams of minced beef, none of that posh Wagyu business. Pop it into a bowl and add one finely chopped onion. Now, if you don't like chopping onions, I recommend a pair of swimming goggles. Next, 2 cloves of garlic minced. Garlic is great, not only does it add flavour, but it also keeps the vampires away. Toss in a beaten egg, a good handful of breadcrumbs and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Now get your hands in there and mix it all up. Yes, it's squishy, but it's worth it. Shape them into little meatballs, about the size of a golf ball 4. Next, heat a glug of olive oil in a pan. That's right, a glug. Pop those little meatballs in and let them brown. Give them a little nudge now and then so they don't stick. You want them golden all over, not looking like they've been to the beach and forgot the sunscreen. While those beauties are cooking, let's sort out the tomato sauce. You'll need a tin of chopped tomatoes, a tablespoon of tomato paste and some basil fresh if you have it, but dried will do. In another pan, heat some olive oil and sauté another finely chopped onion. Yes, more onion. Add a clove of minced garlic because you can never have too much garlic. Once the onion is soft, pour in the tomatoes and tomato paste and throw in the basil. Season it with salt, pepper and a pinch of sugar to balance out the acidity. Let it simmer and bubble away gently. Back to the meatballs. They should be looking rather handsome by now. Transfer them to the tomato sauce and let them mingle for about 20 minutes. They'll soak up all that tomatoey goodness. Now the spaghetti. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Salt it generously, like the sea. Once it's boiling like a cauldron in a Shakespearean play, add 400 grams of spaghetti. Cook according to the packet instructions, usually around 8 to 10 minutes. Remember, al dente is key. Drain the spaghetti and plate up. Top it with those glorious meatballs and a generous ladle of sauce. Finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and a twist of black pepper. There you have it, a simple, hilarious and utterly delicious spaghetti and meatballs. Now grab a fork, twirl that spaghetti and enjoy. And don't forget, cooking is about having fun, so laugh at the mishaps and savour the successes. Cheers to your culinary journey. Thank you for watching and supporting Bistegs TV. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.